Amur leopard. Hunting has brought it close to extinction. Only 120 are left in the wild. And this is one of the very few ever to be caught on film. Each must patrol a territory of over 100 square miles to find enough to eat. In the cold of March, prey is at its most scarce. Leopards are clever opportunists and watch for clues. Crows. They too are looking for food. And their calls tell him that they found something. But he is not the only predator here. On one of the trees, the marks of huge claws, 10 centimeters long. They've been made by a hunter twice his size. A Siberian tiger. Fewer than 500 remain in the wild. These two rare big cats are sharing the same territory. And fixed remote cameras show that they even use exactly the same trails. But leopards know they must be careful. Siberian tigers are the biggest of all the big cats and could kill a leopard. Should they ever meet. In winter, many forest animals rely on carrion for food. And that includes leopards. But he can't let down his guard. The crows that led him here may also have alerted the tiger. Crows are disturbed. Another mouthful might be risky. Survival sometimes depends on knowing when to leave.